Hi everyone, we're here in our Berlin kitchen to make one of my favourite snacks for breakfast. It's avocado bread. Today we're doing 4 different types, they're all fantastic. Let's get going. First one we're going to make is very simple, it's avocado and fried tomatoes. 6 cherry tomatoes, sliced in half. That's how hungry I am. As I look at these juicy tomatoes.
Excellent.
Let's get them in the frying pan. We're going to start with a teaspoon of olive oil. That's plenty for 6 little tomatoes. And we'll get that going on a medium heat. They'll need about 5 minutes till they're nice and soft. In the meantime, let's prep the bread and the avocado. Of course, you can use any bread that you like. When I can, I go for wholemeal, and it's exactly the same here. I've gone for a nice kind of fluffy, crusty brown bread. So, 1 slice of that. Let's have a look at the avocado. This feels like a good one.
Yes.
Not bad at all. All right, we're going to scoop out the inside. We can get rid of any little brown bits. I don't like those bits. Get it into a bowl.
So for 1 bread, half an avocado.
Exactly right. And we'll give it a quick mash. Okay, that's plenty. The way to flavour an avocado is simply a bit of salt, pepper, and lemon. Little dash of pepper, little dash of salt, about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Give it another mix, and we're ready to go. It's up to you how well done you like your tomatoes. For me, that is about perfect. That's going to go really nicely into the avocado. Time to assemble the bread, easy as you like. Spread the avocado on first. Looking good already. And we'll load the tomatoes on. Looking okay? This one done, let's get on with number 2.
Nice. Very beautiful.
Number 2 is avocado with cottage cheese. No cooking needed, just spring onion, cottage cheese, avocado, bit of salt, lemon and pepper. Next avocado, same again, half an avocado for each slice of bread. Lovely.
Yes, this one's better.
Get that in there. Once again, a quick mash. Sprinkle of salt, same with pepper, and about another teaspoon of lemon. Ready. Once again, slicing the bread. 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese for lots of protein. Spread it out. Avocado on next. And finally, we'll top it with some of the spring onion. And we'll put on a tiny bit more of pepper so it looks beautiful. Okay, number 2 is done. We'll get it over with the rest. Alright, we're moving on to number 3, arguably my favourite from the whole lot. This time it's avocado with fried egg. And we're going to fry the bread as well. As before, we're going to get another good slice. Tablespoon of oil. Should do bread and egg.
Awesome. On medium heat?
On a medium heat, exactly. We don't want to cook the egg too fast. In goes the egg. And we'll follow up with the oil. With the toast. We'll follow up with the toast. While that's cooking, don't forget to hit like or subscribe. That helps a lot. And let's get back over to the avocado. Okay, avocado time. Same as before. Scoop it out. Mash it up. This is looking pretty good. Let's get the toast over. You can see the yolk isn't quite cooked, so it's going to take another minute or so. You can always move it across slightly so the toast is taking the heat and the egg isn't. It gives us another minute or 2 to cook the toast without worrying about the egg so much. Once again, we're going to put some flavours in. A little bit of salt. This time, I'm going to use my favourite lemon pepper.
No way.
Yep, it's lemon pepper. It tastes great. There's lemon peel in there, dried lemon peel mixed in. I got this for Christmas and it's a favourite.
Oh, okay, cool.
This time I'll put in a little bit less lemon juice. Alright, we're looking good. Toast is nice and crispy on the outside. It should be still a bit soft in the middle. The egg is looking cooked. Yeah, that's great. The yolk is still going to run a little bit, which is how I like it. Let's get it on the plate. Toast first. Avocado, make it a little bit flatter this time so the egg doesn't slip off. Next, of course, is that lovely fried egg.
Nice.
To finish off, a little bit of spicy sauce, sriracha, sambrolek, whatever your favourite is. Just going to put a little bit across here.
Alright.
Time to plate number 3. Right over here.
Nice, okay, cool.
Bread number 4. It's simple, it's avocado, it's radish, and it's cilantro. That's
Nice.
it.
Okay.
Easy and tasty. Let's do it. Avocado first, another half per slice.
This is the best one so far.
It really is. Let's get it into the bowl. Same as before, a little salt, pepper and lemon juice. Okay, onto the radish. Once again, good slice of bread, avocado, 2 radishes sliced up, and that's plenty.
Nice. Yeah. Beautiful.
Finally, onto the garnish. Now, here's a cool trick for you. This coriander yesterday was looking lifeless, wilted, and generally not very appealing. What I did was wrap it in a wet paper towel and stick it inside an airtight container. And overnight, this is looking much better. And this will last for several more days now as well, as long as it goes back into the container. So that's a neat trick for keeping your herbs lasting longer.
Oh yes.
Let's grab a couple of leaves. Finish it off with a little pepper. Okay, let's get the final one onto our board. Look at those. I'm not an artist when it comes to plating, but if you ask me, that looks pretty good.
I agree. Absolutely. Wonderful. This was a very artful dash as well.
4 breads, done. Look at that, what a breakfast, what a snack. We've got radish and cilantro, fried egg and spicy sauce, fried tomatoes, cottage cheese and spring or green onions. I can't wait, let's dig in.
See you later.
See you guys.